Hello friends, my name is Mahdi. Welcome to this video. In this session, I want to teach you how to create a button on the web page. We can use the input and button tags. I will talk about inputs. Well, if we want to create our own button with the button tag, we first write the tag. Okay, I write this tag for you. Button, opening and closing with a slash, button. Okay, this is the button tag structure, and inside this tag, in here, we write the phrase of our button. For example, click here. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, well, now you see that the phrase I put in has become a button. We can use the A tag to link this button. Okay, and I made a video about this tag before, and you can watch that tutorial. Okay, to link the buttons, you can write this tag between the A tag. Okay, I cut this and I write the A tag and I write href attributes. Okay, opening and closing, and I paste my button. Okay, and I can write the URL of the page I want to redirect the user to. Okay, for example, sun.html. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, now you can see I transfer to the sun page, and you can make your button a link. Okay, as I said, you can also use the input tag to create a button on a web page. Okay, input tags have different types, the performance of which depends on the types. First, I write the input tag. Okay, input, and next I write the type attribute and I close this tag with a slash. Okay, this is a structure, is an input tag. To create a button with an input tag, all you have to do is set the tag type equal to the button. Okay, I write here button. Okay, and to write the text button, we can use the value attribute and write the text of our button inside this attribute. Okay, value. For example, click here. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. You can see that the buttons are no different. This is with button tag and this is with input tag, and there is no difference. Okay, you can use the hover feature to make your button more beautiful. I made a video about the hover feature and you can watch it. First, I write the style tag in head tag. Okay, opening and closing with a slash. Okay, and first I write my tag name, that's input, and two dots, hover, and I use these symbols to open and close my style. Okay, for example, I write color equal to the red and background dash color equal to the green, for example. Okay, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. Okay, and we can use box shadow and other styles I teach you. And this session is over. Thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribe button. Thank you so much.